Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Daily Du'as. In this video, we're going to be looking at a dua that one can make specifically for Laylatul-Qadr, the night of decree. And this dua is as follows: Allahumma innaka afuwan tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. O Allah, you are the one who pardons. Tuhibbul afwa, you love to pardon. Fa'fu anni, so pardon me. In this dua, we're recognizing the names and attributes of Allah, the power Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has. And in this case, it's the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala being able to pardon and forgive. So we're calling out praising Allah. We're saying to Allah, oh Allah, you are the one who pardons. And you love to pardon. It's something you love to do. It's something you love to do for your slaves. And then we say, fa'fu anni, so pardon me. So first of all, before asking Allah to pardon us, we're praising Allah. And from the sunnah of making dua is that you praise Allah, glorify Allah first. And then you ask for whatever it is that you want to ask for. And in this case, we're praising Allah, being aware of His merciful nature and how Allah is someone who pardons. And He loves to pardon. And then we make the dua and we say, fa'fu anni, so then pardon me. Jazakumullah khair for listening. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.